Hi guys, welcome back again. It's Miss Jam to us again, and Hamesh wants to do the intro with me just like the other time. Hi Boo Boo, greet my
Ramesh.
people.
Hello, my people. My people.
Our
You are my people.
Oh my god, I was telling Love that I sound not so good. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not feeling so well, but I think that's how I speak, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, it's on a Sunday. I vlogged in the morning, prepping breakfast and all that. So we were just catching up with how the day was. It was quite in the morning was very cold, but later on the day was quite bright and a little bit sunny. So we went out for some little drive-through, which was awesome, although short. Next time I want a 1 hour drive through.
You never vlog while they were shopping.
No, I didn't because the thing of the whatever of the phone I think messed me up.
Yeah.
Guys, I can't find my phone. Only God knows where it disappeared to, because I've searched the whole house and I don't think I even left with it in the house, and I'm trying even calling it and it's on silent. That's the problem. So I might find it, I might not find it. Anyways, to cut the long one short, I want to show you guys something. B, let me leave you with the boys. Let me head on to the kitchen, right?
Okay.
Yes, so guys, I want to show you something. Let me put on my warm slippers. So this is what we got when we went for the drive-through. Some watermelon. This is some Irish potatoes, and this is corn, white corn. Okay, this is cabbage. These are peas. So guys, why I'm showing you this is that is because tomorrow I will be preparing some mukimo. Love, do you know what is mukimo?
Mukimo?
Of course you do. When was the last time you ate mukimo?
A long time ago.
Love, when was the last time you ate mukimo?
Last time you cook it? You don't cook it often, yeah?
No, I've not cooked it, but when was the last time you ate it? I know the first time you ate it was at home when I took you home.
Yeah.
At first to my mom's place.
Yeah, I don't eat it
So you cannot remember. Anyway, so tomorrow I want to prep mukimo.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be using Irish, the peas I just showed you guys, and the corn. I think that will go in one.
Actually, this boy I do the sauce.
Oh my god, I'm yummy. Guys, if you have toddlers in the house, you know what it means, eh? I'm yummy. Oh my god, the boy is just messing up the whole house, but it's alright. So that's what I'll be prepping tomorrow. So I'm just doing the intro, and then tomorrow we are going to cook with you guys as I make the mukimo. So I'm planning to do the mukimo like the corn, the potatoes, the peas, all in one pot, and then you mash them. I'm going to show you the whole process. Love, let him do the thing now. I'll pick them up. And then I'm going to steam the cabbage. Of course, there are some things missing there, like the kahorora. Those are the green leafy, so that you can mash everything together, because we want a green mukimo. And then also some meat is missing here. A piece of goat to maybe spice up the cabbage. I'm wondering whether I should cook the meat aside and cook the cabbage by itself, or anyway, I'm going to see what I'm going to do about it. All right, so stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Well, by the time you'll be watching that for cooking, I've already done the intro like today on a Sunday, so whatever I'm showing you I'll be cooking tomorrow on Monday. Okay, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and taking your time to write something on the comment section. I really appreciate. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, and let us see each other tomorrow while we cook. All right, stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, family. I hope you are doing well from where you're watching me from. And these are my peas. We removed them last night. And this is the maize. I need to pick out these little fine things. I don't know whether you can see them. Yeah. So I need to pick them out thoroughly. And then I'm going to put them to boil. Yes, and then I need to peel these Irish potatoes. I need to peel these, rather cut the cabbage. So let's grab this pressure cooker. Pressure. Let's grab it. So here's my pressure cooker. Okay, so I'm going to put the maize to boil. I think I'm gonna first put the maize to boil, and then after it boils a little, I can now put the peas. Baby Amesh, what's up, Papa? Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning. Look at me. Good morning. Choo 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 choo. How are you? Anyway, guys, so let me do that, and then after all these boils, I'm gonna get back to you. Ami.
Amesh, you love watermelon, right? Watermelon? Say watermelon. Yeah, family, so I just get back from the gym, and Miss Jam Torres is in the kitchen. She cut some nice watermelon there. And what are you preparing there?
Porridge for Amesh. For honey. Porridge for honey. I'm blending it. It's semolina, so you have to do what? To blend it in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you cook it?
Yesterday.
Mm.
Yeah. So I need to prep some more.
Okay.
Yeah. How's the gym?
That's good.
Ask me about improvement.
You're seeing improvement?
Ask me about
You're seeing improvement? Maybe I'm not working hard enough.
Well, you're trying.
I'm trying.
Should I say?
I'm trying to build some abs.
Oh, really?
You know, when you're doing cardio, it's like losing weight. It's not like putting on weight.
Oh, yeah?
So you're trying to shed the fat, and then you try to build back muscle and that. When you get lean and ripped.
Yeah.
So now it's just like, you know what I mean? You do like a month of cardio. Yeah? Then you go hard.
Okay. So, my morning is busy as always, but I have a lot of things to prep today.
Yeah, like what?
This. So I'm waiting for this to boil like 3 or so bits.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put this. I put the, the peas are a bit softer than the maize.
Yeah.
So I want the maize to soften. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. Good morning, guys. Good morning from where you're watching me from. I hope you are doing fine, just like I am with my family. Okay. So today is the cooking day, like mokimo, and we need to prep all these like very early. All these. Okay. And I told you guys that there are some things that were missing, which I'll go get today, like right now, as this boils. So I need to put the maize to boil, and then I'm later on going to mix with the peas. After this boils for like some time, I'm going to put the peas to boil together, and then I'll be peeling these potatoes as we cut that cabbage. To steam the cabbage, the potatoes, and these are going to be mixed together to achieve what we call a mash or mokimo, okay? And baby Hamesh is crying for this watermelon, so I'm just going to cut it for him. Alright, so stay tuned guys, and let's get to the cooking. So this is the pressure cooker. I'm going to put this to boil. Alright, and babies are crying. It's Jamaican rice, eh?
Oh, Jamaican rice?
Yup. For people would say I used the wrong beans.
The one Jamesh making so much noise now.
Yeah. And the one Hamesh is enjoying here. Let me show them to you.
Okay.
Let me show them Hamesh. Yummy. Look at him. Look at him. Hamesh. Hame. Hamesh. Ami. 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 Hamesh, look at that is calling you. Hamesh. Hamesh, yeah. Even Reto. 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 Ah. Wakoma. Monakoma. You want to hold it? No. Tell them something. Ami. Take this. So guys,
So that's why you pick out the last one when I wasn't here?
Which one?
The one I picked yesterday.
Yeah, I was thinking it could last.
How long did it take?
And how long? How long does it look like it took?
Well, once you break the coconut properly, it just depends on how you break it.
Okay, so I'm going to undergo another
And this
process
now-
of slicing this into smaller pieces. So that's what I was trying to do. It will be. Yes, my dear. Yeah.
You see, when you break it like this now, come out easy, it's just how you break it. This come out. Yes, Miss Jam Tours will actually finish up now.
I'm gonna fix this storage.
I'm actually
But first
go to
I'm
the gym and come back.
making Bubu, take Hamesh from me, please. Before my back whatever. I'm here tall, eh? Papa.
Ramesh, you're still taller than them, farther than them.
So guys, stay tuned. Let me make this porridge. But let me fix this first.
Alright, family. Let's go.
Let me fix this first. Have some nice bananas here. I'm gonna fix them up for baby Hamesh with baobab. Okay. Alright, we have some warm water here. I'm gonna do that right now.